If you're someone that regularly donates to your local church or to a charity or an organization that you care about, it's important that you know about a donor advised fund. Now, if I told you that you could donate more to your church and pay less in taxes to the government and to the IRS, would that be interesting to you? Of course it would be. If you are someone that is already giving, you're always looking for a better way to steward your wealth, and a donor advised fund could potentially be just that. If you're not familiar with a donor advised fund, the best way to probably think about it is as a charitable investment account. And what I mean by that is the end result of this account is still to donate that money, right? When I put assets into a donor advised fund, I can't actually get them back. They are irrevocable. But what I'm able to do in the meantime is take a present day tax deduction on my donor advised fund. And I'm also able to invest those assets while I wait to donate them. So there's no specific timeline on when you actually have to make a donation. You could invest those dollars today and not give them until 10 years from now. Sometimes what we see folks do is put appreciated positions into a donor advised fund. The reason that they do this is that when you put an asset such as real estate, such as a stock, such as an ETF or a mutual fund, any appreciated holding that you have, even cryptocurrency, I think can be put into a donor advised fund. When you put them into the fund, you don't pay taxes on them. Now, if we compare that to giving cash, you know that you already paid taxes on your cash. So you're giving an after-tax asset. We compare that again to giving an appreciated position like a stock. This is a pre-tax asset, and we didn't actually have to pay the tax to the government. Therefore, we're paying more to the church, and we're not letting the government have their hand in the pot here, and that's something important to consider. So if you are someone that's charitably inclined already, this is something that's important to consider. We never want to let the tail wag the dog and do something simply for the tax benefit. That would be like opening a credit card simply for the points or the rewards that come with it. And I know none of you have ever done anything like that, but it's important to know what a donor advised fund is if you're already giving, right? There's a lot of tax benefits available to you if you're the right person. Keep in mind, you have to exceed the standard deduction in order to make this lower your income, but it's something important to know about. So have a conversation with your financial advisor, with your CPA. Check out my article this week if you like, and send me any questions you have.